Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on Android. First, download the official eFootball app from the Google Play Store. Ensure your Android device has at least 4 GB of RAM and a compatible processor for optimal performance. A stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is absolutely essential for smooth online matches and updates. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Mastering the basic controls is your next step. Use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to control player movement across the pitch. On the right, you will find buttons for actions like passing, shooting, and through balls. A quick tap usually performs a short pass, while holding down can unleash a powerful shot. Spend about 10 minutes in the training mode to get comfortable. Building a strong team is key to success. You can acquire new players using in-game currency through scouting or agent features. Focus on developing your favorite players' skills and assigning them to their best positions, like a striker up front or a defender at the back. Experiment with various formations, such as 4-3-3 or 5-2-3, to discover the strategy that suits your playstyle best. Once you are comfortable, dive into advanced gameplay. Challenge other players in online matches to climb the global rankings. Complete daily challenges, which refresh every 24 hours, to earn valuable in-game rewards like coins and training programs. Explore various event modes, offering unique rules and opportunities to earn special players. There are always new challenges to conquer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.